Hi everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to use the camera timer in the zInspector app. This is a feature we offer to help you capture photos in tricky spots like behind a water heater or when using a selfie stick. First, you need to open the zInspector app on your phone. Once you're in, you just have to navigate to the property or unit you want to capture photos. You can use two ways, the quick pictures mode or the inspection mode. I'm going to use inspection mode for this example. I'll select my move-in, and then I'll just have to click the camera icon on the detail I want to capture. Now, here's a key step. When you're ready to take the photo, you just have to press and hold the camera button for about 2 seconds. You'll see a timer countdown begin, giving you a few seconds to position your phone just right. Also, we can customize the timer length. Just go to the settings and then adjust the camera timer time with your preferred duration, anywhere from 3 seconds to 20 seconds. And that's it. Using the timer in zInspector is a great way to precise photos in challenging situations. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support at zInspector.com. Thanks for watching and happy inspecting.